Chicken paired with blueberries. You may think I have no idea what I'm talking about, but stick with me. It works a treat. Blueberries, when they're roasted with the chicken and paired with balsamic vinegar, is a match made in heaven. It is such a delicious combination. So I've just preheated my oven. It's at 200 degrees, and in a roasting tin, I'm going to add some onion, and you just want it to be slightly chunky, so not too thin sliced. They're about 1/2 centimetre thick. So one of these red onions, and we'll pop that in the base of our baking dish. To this, I'll add a splash of extra virgin olive oil, a teaspoon or so, some herbs, so some thyme. We're going to scatter that down the bottom, along with 3 bay leaves, fresh or dry, it doesn't matter. And I do want to season my onions. And in with the balsamic vinegar, use some good quality balsamic for this. You want about 2 to 3 tablespoons of it, and that's enough to really get that gorgeous flavour in there. It's going to give it a really nice deep flavour. So give that a shake, and we can add our chicken. Now I'm using chicken thigh, skin on and with the bone in it, because it's going to stay super tender as it cooks. So what I'm going to do is nestle the chicken in. This style of chicken, so chicken thigh with the bone in and skin on, is also called a chicken cutlet at your butcher, or you can also find this at the supermarket now. So we're just going to nestle that in and let the flesh of the chicken marinate just very quickly in that balsamic vinegar. Already smells so good. Okay, we'll add some more extra virgin olive oil to the top so we get that glorious crispy skin, and some more salt. So a good pinch of salt on each cutlet there. And we do need a splash of chicken stock. So just around the dish, try not to get it on too much of the skin. That looks good. And this is going to cook for 35 minutes at the 200 degrees. Now, I'm not adding my blueberries yet because they're so delicate. You just want them to start blistering at the end. Look how plump they are. For this style of recipe, you can't use frozen. You need to use fresh blueberries. So they'll cook for a further 15 minutes with some pine nuts, and you'll see they blister up. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. Good does this blueberry and chicken tray bake look? And you can see the blueberries have held their shape. Look at that, see, there they are there. And that chicken is cooked to perfection. Listen to how crispy this skin is. Oh, that's what we're after. Now I just served this with some extra thyme sprigs over the top, some fresh thyme sprigs, and that is it. That gets served with maybe some baked rice. You could serve it with some risotto. Even some mashed potato would be fantastic. If you haven't tried a chicken and blueberry combination, give it a go. Once you've tried it, you'll understand what I'm talking about. It's pretty good.